Hi guys, it's Beth and welcome back to my channel. Today is my share for the cards that I made for the 10 on the 10th card collab that is hosted by Kim over at Metal Scrap and Chick here on YouTube. And there will be a list of all the participants in this collaboration down in the description box below. So after you've had a chance to see my cards, please do hop on over and check out their cards as well. For September, I focused on a collection from Scrapping for Less. It was called Red Christmas, and I got a sampling of the collection. And there were, in the sampling that I got, there were 6 sheets of double-sided 6x6 papers. And so it was perfect to make 10 cards. So I will go ahead and show you what I made with them. I did use a sketch to start off with. This is the deconstructed sketch number 129. And I used the paper from the Scrapping for Less Red Christmas collection. And then in my stash, I had they were gift tags that I had found at Michael's a year or two ago. And I loved like the kind of farmhousey look to them. And they did have this red sheer ribbon that was kind of looped through the top so you could actually add it to a gift. I trimmed the ribbon and then just tied it into a little bow and glued it back on to the top of the tag just because I didn't want that long string hanging off the top, but I also wanted the hole covered up where the ribbon was originally strung through. So this paper is double-sided, and so on all of these cards I have a pattern, one of the patterns from the collection, and then I have used a couple different patterns for my stripe going across here. So here's the first one. They're all like slightly different just because they have the different patterns in the paper. And I got 6 of these. And I did put these on some black cardstock. And so on the inside I have some white paper and then a strip of the pattern paper that I had left at the end. So for my next 4 cards, I used the scraps that were left from the pattern paper, and I had 2 tags left, 2 of these tags left. So I wanted to go ahead and use them. This time on the tag, instead of tying a bow, because the bows took me forever to get that little ribbon tied into a bow. And so here I just kind of looped the ribbon through the hole a couple times and then tied it off into a knot just to make it easier on myself. I matted my card front on a black cardstock mat and just took on 2 of them I took a bigger strip of the pattern paper that I had left and added another scrap here, and then my tag. So there's those 2. And then for my last 2, I used some dimensional stocking stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby at some point. And again, I had a couple of big strips left of pattern paper. And so I just took it going down one side, and again, this is matted on black cardstock. On this one, I have a strip of pattern paper, some black cardstock, and then I used these Merry Christmas words from Doodlebug, and these were in a past Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month kit, and I had them left. So I decided to go ahead and use them on these cards. And then I just have my stocking over here on the left. And then to fully utilize my sticker sheet, I punched some small circles out to add as some like enamel dots up here in the corner. So that's one, and then this is my second one. And this time I was able to put my Merry Christmas word directly onto the polka dot. There you go. Like it shows up better in person. It does stand out, but with the lighting and the angle of the camera, I think it's hard to see. So in the process of making these 10 cards, I did finish off the sampling that I got, the 6 sheets that I got from Scrapping for Less. And I finished off the Doodles cardstock stickers that were from Scrapping for Less, also in a previous Flavor of the Month card kit. And I finished off those tags that I had gotten at Michael's at some point. So I did finish off some items from my stash in doing this, and I loved this paper from Scrapping for Less, and I will actually insert a better picture. Since I didn't take a picture of it before, I will insert a picture from Scrapping for Less as to what the patterns look like, so you can see both sides. I think I have most sides represented here, but not all of them. So I'll insert a picture there, and then I will also include a link to this paper collection in the description box below in case you are interested in purchasing it. But those are my 10 cards today. I actually did make just 10 cards this month, so it's probably the first time in a long time that I've made exactly 10, and where these 6 sheets worked out perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed my cards again today, and again, be sure to check out the other participants in the description box who are working along on making their Christmas cards throughout this year so that we don't have to rush when it comes time for holiday card season. But thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.